Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentley. Here are the top stories of the day. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav and Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan visit Bahanaga train accident site in Odisha to take stock of the restoration work. The third G20 Health Working Group meeting begins in Hyderabad. And Indian wrestlers shine as Manisha wins gold, Ritika clinches silver and Sarita Moore bags bronze at the UWW Ranking Series event in Bishkek. The news in detail. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav along with Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan visited the Bahanaga train accident site today to take stock of the restoration work. Informing the media from the accident site, the Railway Minister said restoration work is being undertaken on a war footing, adding that train movement in this route will be expected by Wednesday. Based on the preliminary findings, the Railway Minister also informed that the accident involving Coromandel Express, Bengaluru to Howrah Superfast Express and a goods train near Bahanaga station occurred due to a fault in the interlocking system. Vaishnav said the Commissioner of Railway Safety is now conducting a high-level probe into the derailment and the fact will be out soon.
और जिन्होंने ये काम किया है वो लोग भी आइडेंटिफाई हो गए हैं और इसके ऊपर जैसी कमिश्नर ऑफ रेल सेफ्टी की इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट आएगी और इसमें पीछे क्या कारण थे किस कारण से हादसा किया गया वो भी जानकारी जल्दी सामने आ जाएगी। जिसने भी किया है उसने एक ऐसा परिवर्तन किया है पॉइंट मशीन में ट्रैक की जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होती है जिस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन से बाकी सारी की सारी चीज़ें चलती हैं उस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में चेंज हुआ है जिसके कारण ये हादसा हुआ है। इतना दर्दनाक हादसा लेकिन सब चीज़ें मैं तभी बोलूँगा जब इंडिपेंडेंट एजेंसी की रिपोर्ट आ जाए।
The third G20 Health Working Group meeting was formally opened this morning in Hyderabad. Minister of State for Health, Family Welfare Bharati Pravan Pawar, on behalf of Union Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya, is taking forward the agenda of the G20 Health Track under India's presidency. She emphasized leveraging the existing global health systems and regional health practices in a synergic manner to achieve universal health services accessible to all. Earlier, Union Tourism Minister G. Kishan Reddy said the government is committed to providing all health and medical services by the year 2030. In line with Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat, an initiative by the Government of India which caters and aims to enhance various interactions and understanding people's culture from various states and union territories, the Foundation Day of Goa and Telangana was celebrated at Raj Bhavan, Shillong. Addressing the gathering as the chief guest, Air Marshal Eastern Air Command SP Dharkar lauded the initiative taken by the Government of India in celebrating the Foundation Day celebration of various states. He also said that it allows the people to understand the culture of various states and union territories. Later, a cultural program was also organized to mark the day.
This particular initiative by the Government of India, I think, goes a long way into helping us integrate, into letting us know about the language and cultures of various states of India. And while some of us here who are in the central government services, or especially the military, would have had opportunity to serve in many states, I'm certain that kind of opportunity is not available commonly to other people of our country. And so I expect and I trust that this initiative will go a long way into helping us understand each other, understand our languages and cultures, and thereafter get us that much more closer into actually creating Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat.
The District Sports Office and the West Jaintia District Sports Association on Saturday welcomed the athletic team of West Jaintia Hills District who won the overall championship at the recently concluded Chief Minister's Inter-School Athletic Meet 2023 organized by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs. The team was welcomed at Syncon petrol pump before they entered Jawai town. They were greeted and congratulated by members of the association and the district sports officer, followed by a procession around Jawai town towards Kyangnangba Stadium for the felicitation program.
Ingo yo belai keran, jadi iga segi gua yiu ya emlang kami, gua kemenis jabai, hai to waga jingrak burung gayong pi, ya ke district yang hakani ka chief minister into school, state level into school athletic meet 2023.
As part of commemorating World Bicycle Day on June 3rd, Martin Luther Christian University recognized and awarded 3 students with the Sustainable Commuter Award for their consistent use of bicycles as their main mode of transportation to and from the university campuses in Nongra and Umsauli. Pujari Prakash from the Department of Environment and Traditional Ecosystems, along with Pinchkain B. Linkhoi and Adwangra M. Marak from the Department of Tourism and Travel Management, were presented with awards during the concert by Frederick R. Kharkongor, Commissioner Secretary, Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya. Indian grapplers have signed off with 3 medals in the United World Wrestling Ranking Series event in Bishkek on Saturday, with Manishka grabbing gold, Ritika finishing second best, and Sarita Moore getting her hand on bronze. Improvising with the small-sized draws, Manisha bagged gold in the 65 kg weight category, while India's tally in the series is 4 medals, including 1 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze. Manisha won 4 matches in the 4 rounds she completed, helping her win the gold medal. In the tournament, the wrestler with the most number of victories will be ranked first. And now for the weather. The maximum temperature was 26 degrees Celsius with a minimum temperature at 16.9 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 70%, dropping to 65% in the evening. The forecast tells us light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for a recap of today's top stories. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw and Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan visit Bahanaga train accident site in Odisha to take stock of the restoration work. Third G20 Health Working Group meeting begins in Hyderabad. And Indian wrestlers shine as Manishka wins gold, Ritika clinches silver and Sarita Moore bags bronze at the UWW Ranking Series event in Bishkek. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching.
मेरे पास भी यही इलेक्ट्रॉनिक प्रोडक्ट है, सारे फीचर्स धांसू हैं, ऊपर से इतनी कम प्राइस, जल्दी से खरीद डाल।
रुक,
तू ढूंढ क्या रहा है?
कंट्री ऑफ ओरिजिन। देख, जागरूक उपभोक्ता को प्रोडक्ट खरीदते समय उस पर कंट्री ऑफ ओरिजिन जरूर देखना चाहिए और सोच समझकर देखभाल कर खरीदारी करनी चाहिए।
प्रिय उपभोक्ताओं, आप भी प्रोडक्ट्स की खरीदारी करते समय हमेशा उस पर कंट्री ऑफ ओरिजिन जरूर देखें। भारत सरकार द्वारा इम्पोर्टेड प्रोडक्ट